Software documentation is a written piece of text or illustration that comes prepackaged with a computer program whose primary goal is to explain how it works and how to use it. Depending on its format and the information it provides, it can be used by different actors at different stages of the project, such as developers, product owners, quality assurance analysts, or even end users. That being said, there are 4 main documentation types to be distinguished. Requirements documentation, which is usually created at the very beginning of a project, it concerns everyone involved in the production of the software from developers to end users. Its goal is to specify what the software expectations are in terms of what it does or shall do, which includes functional requirements, hardware and software requirements, and so on. The architecture documentation defines the high-level design of the software. Although it may suggest approaches for lower-level design, it contains zero to no code and focuses mainly on the components of the system, their roles and working, as well as the data and control flow among them. The technical documentation is aimed at developers and testers and focuses on describing the technical aspects of the software, such as its routines, algorithms, and APIs, and comes in different forms such as README files and API documents. Finally, end-user documentation, also called a user guide, is a manual intended to assist users, administrators, and support staff in using a software, which may include written text with technical jargon kept to a minimum, screenshots, and also video tutorials. So in the following lessons, you'll learn how to write the technical documentation of the project using a README file, which will also serve as a homepage on GitHub, and how to write the API documentation of the project using the Open API standard, and how to make it publicly available to other developers through a dedicated Express route.